you're pulling me.
All right, guys, we're rolling up on this F-150 that's stuck. It's a 4x4, and 4x4 is working, but I guess it didn't quite do the thing. So see if we can help him get out of here. Yeah, it looks like a very open diff in the back, that's for sure. Hi. I happened to be cruising through. I thought I'd check on you. Is your name Ed? John, nice to meet you. Yeah, we were about to make a lap. I said I might as well, you know, stop by and make sure you were doing all right. Any word from Geico?
Yeah, well, I did a telephone call, and then they just sent me a link. I could probably just submit it. Are you able to issue a receipt, though?
Yeah, if you do it electronically, I can email or text you a receipt.
Perfect.
Okay.
I think I'll just do it that way rather than
okay. Yeah, at least that way you have, you know, proof to show them.
So a buddy of mine, I don't know if he's got the Tacoma. So don't those have like a rocking feature on
the new ones? Yes.
Oh, okay.
Crawl control is
crawl
what it's called. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. You might have to get you one now.
No.
It's worth the effort, right?
Dude, this has got the,
it's a nice truck, man.
This one's got the Power Stroke in it, and they've stopped,
wow, really? This has got the Power Stroke in it?
It's a recent Power Stroke. I've had diesel
wow.
since law school, which was 1986, and I've driven diesel trucks. This is my favorite truck ever.
How's your fuel efficiency?
20 miles.
Wow.
So that's kind of mixed. For diesel.
Yeah.
But they all are very efficient.
Yeah.
If you delete them, they're great.
And it's a platinum. You got a nice interior and everything.
My wife loves it.
Hell
I'm 66.
You know, and the F-150 Platinums in the diesel.
Yeah, honestly, I didn't know they did the F-150s in the diesel.
It came with a diesel, but I didn't know it had like this high of a trim factor.
Oh yeah,
that's nice.
So they stopped bringing them in July of 22 because the market never responded.
Just wasn't bearing them.
But I don't understand that because there's diesels everywhere.
I think it's the young generation. I know a lot of older people that understand the value and the worth of a diesel, and I feel like new people just don't get the advantage of it. And I think that's why the sales plummeted.
Go to Italy. We just came back.
I'd love to go to Italy. I'm Italian. I need to go.
Well, there you go. So am I. So everyone over there.
Yeah.
Small cars, most of all your trucks, all diesel.
Yeah.
All freaking diesel.
Yeah.
Because they're efficient.
They are.
I'm not saying, and those are great trucks. My son had I don't know if it's a Tacoma or another one, but.
They're still good trucks. For gassers, they're good trucks. You can't go wrong. They're very reliable.
Well, you're pulling me.
True, they definitely did it right back in the day, I'll tell you that. We like the older Toyotas. Yeah, well, future reference, if you guys are ever just trying to plan a day out here or anything, south.
Because I've seen you out here before. Today I said, no, let's go all the way down so we don't have to drive far, and sure enough.
Too, it's what I'm saying. It's gotten pretty bad, especially with the storm. So if you guys, you know, I've told people it's good to almost start migrating south. Okay. Sometimes, you know, too far into Daytona, it gets a little bit chaotic, but kind of on the north side of Daytona, the south like end of Ormond, it's a lot quieter and it's a lot harder packed.
Sure.
Because this, as you can tell, it's gotten really bad.
But we have to stay in the dog beach area.
I see. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense.
So I'll leave it up to you guys. I mean, what's your plan as far as me and the extraction?
Yeah, so you're close to the, we call this the conservation zone here, so we try and stay away from that. So what I do is probably hook up to the back, and we would just pull you down right by the shoreline there where it's hard, and then you can either just drive down that way and get out, or we can turn you around and you can come and get out right here, and then, you know, go from there. But I'll make sure you get on concrete.
Okay, I appreciate it. But so, I don't know, what was your plan right now? I don't want to hold you up here.
So I don't have to pull it right now. There is also, you know, if you guys wanted to just park it, there's parking right here at the ramp sometimes, and there's also parking across the street. There's a big public parking lot, but then you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Sounds good. We'll work on getting it hooked up. I guess he said there's or you probably heard him, some at Rockefeller. I'm curious.
Something at Rockefeller.
Yeah. See if my dad gets there first. So once we have this hooked up, all I'm gonna have you do is get in there.
Put it in neutral.
You can put it in reverse, but you'll only want you to do a tiny bit. I'm gonna do most of the work, but that way I'm not, you know, dragging dead weight. And I'll have you just keep that wheel straight at first.
Okay.
Should come up out of the hole, and we'll just have you, it'll be a little bit passenger side basically, and we'll curve you down nice onto the hard sand. And then, you know, we can either just drive you down that way, or we can 3-point you and get you out right here.
I wouldn't mind doing this part.
Let's do that.
But let me ask you this. Do you want me to take it out of four-wheel drive or leave it in?
Nope, leave it in 4.
All right.
Yep.
I'm in 4 low right now.
Okay.
So.
Yep, and we'll just take it nice and easy. I'm doing most of the work.
Cool.
All right, here we go.
Got it.
Yeah, start giving it a little bit of gas. You gotta start giving it some gas. Christian, he's got to give it some gas. All right, go. Go. There we go. Just gotta get the timing right. We just gotta make sure we're getting them to hit the gas when I go, because he wasn't giving it any gas when I hit.
I told him.
Oh, okay. Hey, we got her out, didn't we?
Beautiful, man.
There we go.
Beautiful. Nice snap.
Thank you. Yeah, so you'll wanna, do you want me to drive it out of here for you real quick?
Sure.
All right. Here. Christian, you wanna just pull the Tacoma up past, like, out of the way?
There goes Johnny Baja.
Those steps are awesome. I do need drop steps. I like that.
Oh yeah, bro.
Man, those drop steps are nice. You get out and they just lower for you automatically.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that.
It's an 18 and we've kept it really nice.
Okay,
you know,
yeah, it's
trying to
clean,
baby it at
man.
this point. Yeah, just turned 100,000 miles, so
Oh yeah.
yeah.
If you do what you got to do to keep it clean, that's all. You know, it's
That's
all
it.
it is.
That's it.
It's really simpler than people think.
I agree.
But
This is John.
Hi.
My wife,
nice to
Denise.
meet you.
Dude, that's still okay. I mean,
Yeah,
that's
you
a
know.
good little gig, man.
Yeah, for
In a great
sure.
way.
Oh yeah, for sure. During summer, I mean, we can't complain at all. The only issue is, you know, coming into slow season and storm season, we get
Yeah.
times where there's no one even on the beach, so there's no recoveries to do. But
Right.
you know, I definitely overall cannot complain at all.
Good for you. Good for you. I love to see hustle, and I love to see it in young men. Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, this is just me and my father running it, and you know, we have a good time.
A plan of attack.
Oh, I know this
Yeah.
one. I know this
I'm,
one.
I'm good. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, good
Happy
morning.
Sunday.
It's gnarly out there today, girl. Be
I'm going
careful.
right here.
All right. She's one of my
That's good.
locals.
I love
hey,
it.
you have
Thanks,
an
buddy.
awesome
I
day, all right,
appreciate it
Ed?
too, man. Thanks
hey,
so much.
of course.
All right.
Back up and then pull into my spot.
Girl, you're a smart girl. I trust you. You know where to find me if you need me.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Have a great day. Did you already clear rock or?
That bird's cutting close. Yeah, the guy, Jeep came and got it out before I got there.
Okay. Yeah, well, these people actually called me
Oh, okay.
in the F-150.
Okay.
So I'm just going to lap up and then go back. So.
I'm just going to drive down for a little ways. I don't know how far.
All right, sounds good.
To come on for me to move?
No, she's scoping it out. It's what's her name?
Oh.
She's like contemplating her game plan. So go help her out. I'm driving the beach. How you guys doing? It just sunk down on you, huh?
Yeah, I just need to be over on the white, and I got over here too far.
Yeah, they keep the traffic lane in the middle.
But y'all would charge.
I hear you. Yeah, if you want to try it, you know, by all means, I can leave you with a card. You can always call us if you need us. I mean, I'm a full insurance.
What would you charge, dude, to get me down here?
Oh, I thought you said you didn't want to ask.
Just to
It-
get me off this thing. I've never gotten stuck in here. No,
I thank you for your service. That does help, and we do give a discount for that.
I've never gotten stuck.
No, I hear you. Just I don't have a set rate, so that's why I couldn't reply right away. I gotta, you know, think about it. You just asked quite off the rip.
Not these people around here that live in one of these, brother.
Well, no, I hear you. I deal with all kinds of people, brother. I hear you. I just pulled out another retired veteran. I absolutely understand. And there are volunteers out here from time to time, but that's a judgment call as we do see damage to vehicles, and that's why I pay $40,000 for insurance.
I don't have me a rope in my truck.
Exactly. You get it. Yeah. And that's why I got all the proper equipment. Like I said, I pay almost $40,000 in insurance because, you know, I want to be careful. So.
I
I know. I'm just pissed right now.
I totally understand, sir. I totally get it.
Card, sure.
Okay.
You can leave me a card. I'm gonna give it a shot.
Okay.
Well, you do take debit.
Yeah, let me get a.
If you don't mind if we get footage, I'll do it for free for you, okay?
One more shot at it.
Okay.
All right.
Hey.
Well, I appreciate your service, and we're going.
Thank you.
Look,
Sorry,
I'm.
I'm Indian pissed.
Hey,
He's
listen.
gonna do it
give
for
me-
free.
I'm gonna do it for free, okay?
You're the
Look,
man.
all I ask is that we just calm down and we just try to make the best of the situation. Is that cool?
You're the man.
All right. I just want us to all be good and talk to each other nicely and have a good time.
This is the first
Cool.
time we got stuck.
Yeah, it's gotten real nasty up here for sure. And I normally recommend to people it's a lot better the further south you go. Nice and flat down there,
We
but
just came from that way.
yeah, it's gotten real nasty up here on the north end.
I
So
haven't been on the sand in so long.
I hear you. Yeah, I told you if you guys don't mind if I get some footage, I'll do it for free and get you out of here.
No.
Appreciate it.
So, all right, let me look at getting it hooked up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Now I feel like
It's okay.
I'm not.
Hey,
mad. I wasn't mad at you.
you're not the first man in the existence of planet Earth to get frustrated. You know, we're men. When we get in situations like this, you know, it's hard. It's a hard pill to swallow. I'm 22. Trust me. You can't imagine how pissed off I get sometimes.
Since we
So-
put this truck,
I do understand.
it has done pretty good through here till we get this wet stuff.
Yeah. It's just gotten real nasty recently. That's for sure.
The four-wheel drive on this Chevy's pretty good. Four-wheel drive on this Chevy's pretty good. So,
All right. So, it's got front points, but. You all right in reverse?
Yeah.
All right, I think it'll probably just make the most sense, like you said, the white sand, but where it kind of, there's a little bit more white sand, you can see where it wipes out there, that might be enough room for us to get you turned around.
Right
So
on.
I'm thinking we'll just get hooked up to the back, I'll pull you down to there nice and easy and slow, and then we'll try and get you turned around and get you out of here, okay? All righty. I'll pull the truck up. Are those safety chain holders with no hitch?
No, bro.
Oh, is it
we don't have no hill.
even a work truck? I'm surprised to not have a hitch.
Yeah.
There's a ball.
Oh, it's supposed to be a ball imprint.
Yeah.
You can feel it. It has a
Wow.
safety chain.
Oh, but it's even got, it doesn't even have the cutout.
It has
Wow.
a circle though.
We wanted
Wow.
the truck with nothing on it. This is pretty well stripped. So.
I guess you got what you
Just
wanted, right?
stripped with
Fair
four-wheel
enough.
drive, so.
Fair enough.
I mean,
Okay.
they're fun trucks that way, in my opinion.
All right. So I mean, yeah, we can just double. Well,
What do you want to do?
I don't know actually. That's thin as hell. What the hell do they expect you to do with that?
Well, it's probably not the actual proper tow bar underneath there, Johnny. So it's probably only rated for like
Nope.
2,000 pounds.
It's a regular one. It says 3,500 pounds.
See, I guess you're right.
Oh, is that what you said?
500 pounds.
I mean, that's decent though, but there's no way without the pop out, I can't even run a soft shackle through the hole. You want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
I mean, although I could turn them around. We'll see what they think. You want to just go for a ride? The easiest thing, because there's no rear hitch points really without going to the axle and it's sitting on the axle. So the easiest thing to do is I can hook a bridle up to the front and I can just pull you forward and, you know, direction you were going, I can just take you all the way down there. So, all right, sounds good. Let's just take them forward. Be a lot easier. Man, dude, I need to get a Yankum bridle in here. Twist that bridle. That went well, didn't it?
That is every dime I got. It's $10 and a free ticket.
I appreciate it.
No, man, I appreciate it.
Hey,
I'm sorry about
we gotta take care of each other, right? You know, I ain't gonna leave you out
You
there.
see me out there a lot. I'm always on the beach.
I know it. I know it.
Take that and buy more tickets with it.
Okay.
I do not remember. I think it's over the L on the. Thank you. Yeah, buy tickets with that. You're gonna win something.
Sounds
Thank you
good.
very much.
Hey, thank you for your service,
you're
man.
welcome.
You guys have a great day, okay?
You guys got a good heart. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You as well.
Y'all behave.
Yes, ma'am.